this is Grace and welcome to my channel and welcome to a product share video. I am going to do my 10 handmade cards, 1 homemade kit. That's the next card series that I'm planning on doing, and I know that it's been a while that I haven't done this kind of card series in my channel, and I hope that you will join me. So usually when I make these kinds of series or these card kits, that there's the base inspiration. And so for my inspiration this time is this really cute Art Impressions die and stamp set combo. It doesn't have the house, but it has the mailbox, the really cute bears, the heart garland, and other little, like the flowers or the pot I should say, and all of the other things. And so I thought I would use it. I've had this for at least a couple of years. I know that we are not near a kind of love holiday right now, but that's how I roll. I'm a rebel that way. I don't follow holidays when I'm creating. But anyways, that's the inspiration. And because I wanted to use this because it's been in my stash for a while, I pulled out this 6x8 paper that I bought at Tuesday Morning, again a few months back, and it's love theme, so I thought that it will work. Now this has a few cut aparts as well, so I am planning on utilizing that. When I put together my products for my 10 handmade cards, I usually just start off with an inspiration and then my products. So I don't really have a game plan yet as far as what my cards would look like, but this is kind of what I'm thinking that could go together well. So if you're new to my channel or you're new to this series, I have been doing this, I started doing this maybe a couple of years ago, maybe even 3 years ago, and what it was I was inspired by all of the 10 cards that I saw people make with their card kits that they purchase. Usually it's Simon Says Stamp, and I really love the idea of being able to make 10 cards, at least 10 cards with a card kit. Now I love those card kits out there, but I also thought that I already have a lot of stuff in my stash, so why not make my own card kit instead of purchasing it? So that's kind of how this series came about. If you are new to my channel again or new to my series, I will make sure to link the playlist for my previous 10 handmade cards in the description box below. So again, I have my inspiration product and then my papers, which I really love because there's a lot of different colors in there. And then again, I was digging through my stash and I found these cut aparts that I cut from my silhouette, and I'm guessing that this was from another 10 handmade card type of series, but it just spells happy, so I wanted to use that one. And then for, well, let's do the finishing touch later. I found this one. I have this adhesive matte stack, and it's just I think it's a 4x4 paper. Like the name itself, it already has adhesive in the back, and I thought that it would be good to do some die cutting, so I pulled out a bunch of my die cut set. I have this happy as well. This was the first word that I pulled out before finding that one. I just like the script of this, so I'm thinking this one will be really good to, or the adhesive mat will be really good to use to this, because it's a scripty font. It has a lot of thin places, so it would be nice that I could just use a cardstock that already has adhesive on there. And then this is a nesting stitch circle die that I purchased at Amazon. And then the scallop, I thought like Valentine's kind of, you know, like a very soft feminine touch to it. Scallop will be good with that. And of course, you know me, if you've watched any of my latest card videos, you know that I love this scallop square or rectangle die, and so I'm thinking of using that. But I'm also thinking of using this one with the windows, the 3 windows, because then I can stamp those bears and have them peeking out. That's just kind of like a general idea that I thought I could do. And then because I have the script happy, I think I thought I could marry that with some mini alphabet stickers. I have this one's from My Little Shoebox. This is actually two different kinds of stickers, but I want to use the mini, so I have this color and then the blue one, which I think would go well with some of the colors here, and then of course the pink and maybe some just, you know, neutral colors there. So that's the plan. And then I didn't add any more like embellishments like stickers or whatever, because I know that this has a lot of little accents that I could cut apart and just add to my layout if I need. Plus I have my die cut sets that I thought I could make my own embellishments. For finishing touches, I just pulled this out. Don't even know if I'm going to use it, but I thought I would just add that there. And then I pulled out a few different 8.5 by 11. Now I usually scrap 12 by 12, but with my card making, I do like to pull out whatever is left of my 8.5 by 11 sheets just so I can use them up. So I did pull out some specialty paper. I have a silver and I have a gold. I don't know what I'm going to use it for, but I thought, you know, like gold and silver would look really well with like a Valentine's or a love type of card. So I pulled that out. And then as you can see, I usually pull out 5 cards because then that would make 10 A2 card bases, but I actually would like to try a couple of slimline cards. So I pulled out 1 extra plus because I am stamping those, but not bunnies, those bears. I thought that I would need a white cardstock. So I have 2 white cardstocks there. I have these kind of silvery paper. I don't even remember where I got them, but I'm going to pull that out. I'm already thinking I might use some of the scraps or these kinds of paper for additional cardstock or additional just, you know, solid base paper, but we'll see. I might pull out a few more papers, but the plan is 10 cards. So however many slimline cards I will make out of that, plus A2 cards bases, and then these ones as well. So those are the items that I am planning on using for my next card series. Excuse me. If you are interested in watching that, make sure, and you are not subscribed yet, please make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so that YouTube will notify you of when I post my next video. I usually do showcase product video first, and then the next 2 videos will be the process videos for all of those cards. So again, I hope that you guys will catch the rest of this series, and if you have any questions, make sure to leave that in the comment section below, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.